Here's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, power tilt-down heated mirrors, Bluetooth streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming mirrors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.